Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing new laptop from Lenovo. This is the Lenovo Yoga 7. This is 2-in-1 laptop with the Core 7 Ultra processor, and it has 1 TB hard drive and plus 32 gig of RAM, and it has a Copilot Plus where you can use the function of ChatGPT, which will be helpful for your office or homework, anything. So that will be very useful. I will be showing you what's inside the box, and if you have any question, please put it in your comments. I will be happy to answer. And let's see what's inside the box and how cool is this 2-in-1 laptop. So let me show you from inside. So this is the laptop 2-in-1, and let me show you what's here. So this is Type C charging for this laptop. Now most of the laptops have Type C charging, and this is the power adapter, and that will be used in Australian sockets. And plus, because this has a touch screen, so let me show you what's inside this small packet. So this is the stylus pen, so you have to write anything, you can sign the documents, and you can do the drawings, anything. So that will be very helpful. So this is the point to charge this pen. And now let me show you the laptop. So this is my Lenovo laptop. It's in a gray color, metallic gray. Now let me show you from inside first. So this laptop, this is a protection sheet packaging. So let's keep it aside. And this is for the setup and any support if you need from Lenovo in Australia. This is the laptop. And see, it has a dedicated key, and this is the one for Copilot if you need to use for anything like ChatGPT. So you can use the laptop in either in a tablet mode or whichever way you want. So you can use whichever way you want. So you can fully turn this. So now it can be used as a like a Apple iPad Pro, something like that. So you can use like this. So let me turn it on. So it has a beautiful lights on the keypad, as you can notice. So if you are working in the dark, it will be good to use. On the left side of a laptop, you can see this is the HDMI port, and this is the Type C, and this is a audio jack, and you can this is the small microphone, and there is another Type C on the other side. I will show you. So my laptop is still charging, and it is updating the system, and you can see on the right side, this is the USB port, and this is the another Type C, so you can charge on either side. And plus this is the microSD card reader, and this is the power button. So it is very helpful and quite useful iPad with a long battery life. And I will show you there is a dedicated key, this one. So this is the key for Copilot, and you can use the ChatGPT function for your home or office work. And on this side, as you can see, it has quite a good stereo speakers, so which will be quite good. And this is purely very light laptop, and you can use for uni or any office, so it has quite a good battery life. So this is the first menu, so I need to select the country where I'm using. So it is a touch screen, so you can
to set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter.
See, you can select the keyboard language and all that. So want to add a second keyboard layout, so you can say skip. So let's say skip. And now I need to connect to the Wi-Fi. So now the laptop is checking for any update. So this laptop has quite a good night glowing keypad, as you can see that. So in the night time, if you are working, let's say in the train or somewhere where there is no proper light, and you can properly see the keypad, so keyboard is properly visible, and it's a beautiful keyboard during the night time. So it is still doing the updates. See, this is the Copilot function of this laptop. Press this one. This is the dedicated key, and you press this, and a window will pop up. So this is Chat GPT. It's saying, "Hi there, what should we dive into today?" So you can put up your question here. See, my question is what to see in London, and you just have to press enter. So within seconds it will give you the results. See, it is giving the maps and all that. With the touch screen you can go down. See, Hyde Park, Buckingham Palace, London, Dunnegan, Tower of London, London Wall. It is giving you all the details. So that way this laptop is very helpful if you need for your home or business purpose. See, you can further ask the questions. There are the suggestive questions. So what are the best time to visit these attractions? You can click on that. So it will give you as per the weather and timing. See, it is giving spring season, March to May, summer and autumn, winter. So it is giving all the information. That way this Copilot function, which will be very helpful for this laptop, and if you are a student, you can take the benefit of that one also. See, one of the suggestion I would give for this laptop is, as you can see, this is the power button, and very next to that is a micro SD card reader. So this is my micro SD card. So if you are putting the micro SD card in the slot and you are using the laptop like this, and you are taking out the card with the nail and all that, so the problem is both the keys are next to each other, so you can accidentally press the power button, so that will be turning your laptop into the sleep mode, or either it can turn off the laptop. So it should be either the card reader should be either at the bottom somewhere here, or either it should be on the left side. So with the stylus you can do any notes in your handwriting and all that. So let's say on the bottom right you can see there is a icon, you have to press that and then you can open the notepad. Let's say my notepad is open now, so you can write down anything, so you can sign or whatever way you want to do, so you can use that, it will be very helpful. See, I am charging my stylus pen. See, there is a light here which shows that pen is now charging now, and on the point I have used another type C cable, so I'm using that way. And laptop is still in the process of setting up, so checking for the Windows update. So you can attach the stylus pen, it has a magnetic, and you can attach that on the cover lid, so that way the pen is not lost. So that will help you to keep the pen properly close to your laptop. So this is a sample of the speakers and the video quality, as you can see that. So guys, this is the detailed feature of this laptop, Lenovo Yoga 7, and this is 14 inches screen and a Copilot Plus and Core Ultra 7, 32 GB RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive, and this is a touch screen 2-in-1 laptop. So it is currently on special. It's a $500 off at Good Guys, so it is for 1,999 Australian dollar, and this deal is till 1st of September. And I will show you some of the pictures to show you how cool is this laptop. So you can see that. So it comes with the stylus also. So if you need to write anything, sign the document, or you have to prepare the hand notes, then you can use that stylus pen. So it is quite a good features. And firstly, if you go down, I will show you the specification. So let me go you the product overview. This is the information from Lenovo. So it has a Copilot, and the battery is also great, and compatibility. It has a AI function, so which is a Copilot. So and specification I will show you here. So Lenovo, this is the model number. So there is a one in the market which has a lesser graphic card. So it is exactly same. So when you are buying, just make sure that you are checking the correct model number. And it has a touch screen, 14 inches screen, and total storage is 1 terabyte. And it has a Wi-Fi 7. That is a really cool feature, because normally in the other one it is Wi-Fi 6. So it is a upgraded Wi-Fi version, and it has a Windows 11 home, and plus the display resolution is 2880 to 1800, which is quite a good thing if you are watching any movies or playing the videos, or let's say you are playing the games also, then is also very, very good. And for the video editing or games point of view also, it has a good memory, 32 gig RAM, so which is quite good if you want to use for, let's say, uni project or anything, or you want to use for the work like a video editing, or you are YouTube blogger or something, then also this laptop will be very helpful. And it has a great speakers also, so high definition audio, and then it comes with the 1 year warranty. And also this is the Core Ultra 7. So this is a processor which is a fast processor, and as you can see, it comes with the micro SD card reader, and plus there is a webcam 5 megapixel with the privacy shutter. So and it is OLED display, which is very, very cool if you are watching the movies and anything. So it will be very good to watch those kind of movies. And plus it has one USB A point, and then 2 USB-C points, so it is good. So any of the USB-C you can charge the laptop, and plus it has a HDMI point, and then one headphone outlet with the microphone also, plus one microSD card reader. So this is 2-in-1 laptop, Yoga 7, color is gray, and this is released in 2025. So which is quite good, and it is very lightweight also. So you can see the dimensions of the product here. So it is very good, and with the strong battery, this is a multi-purpose laptop, so which will be very helpful whether you are doing the work or you are uni student or any study purpose or any home other purpose. So this is a all multifunctional laptop. So this is the also product detail on a JB Hi-Fi website. This is a very popular store in Australia. As you can see, this is also special on this website. So $500 off, and plus there is a bonus offer of also. And this is the key feature. You can see 14 inches OLED 2.8K display touchscreen, and Intel Core Ultra 7 and 258V 8 core processor and 1 TB hard drive, and it has a Intel Arc graphic card, so that is the good thing. And one HDMI port, one USB-A port, two USB-C ports, one microSD card reader, and then it has a webcam plus Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth version 5.4 and Windows 11 Home. So this is the things, and you can see specification. These are the some of the specification you can see if you want to see in detail. So this will be very helpful. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can see any new video on Tech Talks. And if you have any question regarding this laptop, please put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer, and see you in another video. Thank you.